money. $1 billion industry a decade ago. Miss Shauna. Her name is Miss Shauna, M-I-C-H-A-N-A. She's alright, y'all have no idea. I just finished what I could in my little corner. I think I'm gonna stick with this for now. I mean, I am gonna get a different mirror, a bigger mirror, obviously, but this is how it's looking. It's kind of hard because it's in this corner. Let me zoom out. I don't know how good it is because the sunlight is no longer on our side. I'm trying to stand on the bed. Y'all pray for me. So this is what it's looking like. Obviously where it's pinned up at the top or anywhere it's pinned, I made sure it's not seeable when I do film. But I think this is so cute. I got my babies with me. Hey guys. But yeah, this is my little cozy corner. Me and my babies. And guess what? Y'all know they all came from my baby, my hubby. He knows how much I love her. Alright, y'all. So I don't know where I'm gonna do the first film section, and this video is probably wobbly. I'm sorry. But I do have a surprise. Oh my god, y'all, just wait till tomorrow. Just wait. I'm gonna pop in. Y'all gonna be like, oh my god. I'm gonna be like, yes, girl, yes. But let me go. Let me get back to work, y'all. 'Cause maybe you just might waste my time.